Hello friends, welcome to Storytime with Miss MacIntosh. Today's story is a Halloween story. It's called Who Will Haunt My House on Halloween? It's Halloween. I'm scared. I wonder who will haunt my house tonight. Ghosts? Werewolves might trick or treat. They would howl at the moon. Ah, woo! Maybe scary ghosts will show up. They can take the candy. I'll stay away from them. She's hiding. Oh no, zombies! Please stop! I'm afraid of real live dead people. Oh, even the cat and the pumpkins look scared. Oh no, spooky bats! Run, run, run! There are zillions of them. All the candies getting all over the place. Now I'm really scared. This isn't funny. No, thank you. I'm not thirsty. What do you think witches could have in their drinks? Do you think it's juice? I don't like spiders! The web is all over me. Yuck! Skinny skeletons could come to trick or treat. I'm not touching their bony fingers. Wow, jack-o'-lanterns are everywhere. They've left me a spooky message. Boo to you. Owls might visit. Hoot! That's right, hoot! They love to fly at night. Dinosaurs, what are you doing here? You're extinct. Help! Scarecrows aren't supposed to walk. Back off. No birds allowed in the house. Did anyone trick or treat yet? Asked my mom. No. It's been very quiet. Ding dong! Someone's at the door. Let's all go trick or treating. What fun. So those weren't really monsters. They were just friends dressed up, and she was just using her imagination a little bit. And there's a bat and an owl, and there's a ghost and the werewolf and the dinosaur, and she's gonna be the witch. We are on our way to haunt your house. Happy Halloween. And there's some more friends. There's the witch and scarecrow, and there's some spiders, and there's the skeleton. And I believe that guy is the zombie. I hope you enjoyed this story as much as I did. This is one of my favorite Halloween stories. Alright, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.